Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into KeyBank business account, quick access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.keybank.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign in button. Click on the sign in button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select business from this menu. You'll be directed to the business online banking login page. Enter your user ID in the first field. In the second field, input your password. If you wish to remember your user ID, check the Remember User ID box. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment as your account information loads. If you've entered the correct information, you will be directed to your KeyBank business account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check your user ID and password for accuracy. If necessary, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link for recovery options. Follow the prompts to reset your login credentials if needed. Once logged in, navigate through the dashboard to access your business banking features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.